I'm Marlon and I run WaterMaarq Tours as the RIB pilot and host on board our wonderful dolphin and seal tours. We're located in the southern part of Australia, in Victoria, at the bottom end of Port Phillip Bay, which is a place called Sorrento. It's only about 90 minutes drive from Melbourne. So WaterMaarq was started in 2014 out of a fear I had of the open water. And nowadays we take people into the water to help them maybe overcome their fears or have a great interaction with marine life in a calm and comfortable way. We help people see the world of the ocean through dolphin eyes. People start to connect with the water in a way of understanding the marine life. First of all, we'll go and see our weedy sea dragons, which is a really cute little creature on the bottom of the sands, but also swim with seals, our friendly favourites, and also see the abundant marine life, which is glorious in colour at our local reef site. The special thing about our tours is how people start to understand the marine world. They develop a new comfort and a new attachment, a new connection with marine life and the water in such a way that they leave in an easy and comfortable fashion and happier than they arrived.